Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. In today's digital age, managing and accessing your files efficiently is crucial. A reliable cloud storage solution is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. That's why we're taking a closer look at pCloud, a platform that offers secure and versatile cloud storage options. Navigating to their website at pCloud.com, you'll discover a range of plans designed to meet various needs. From individual users seeking personal cloud storage for photos and documents to businesses requiring collaborative workspaces and large file transfers, pCloud seems to have it all covered. pCloud emphasizes security, boasting features like client-side encryption to safeguard your sensitive data. This means your files are encrypted before they even reach pCloud servers, providing an additional layer of protection. They also offer two-factor authentication for enhanced login security. Furthermore, pCloud offers flexible synchronization options. You can choose to synchronize specific folders or your entire hard drive, ensuring your files are always accessible across your devices. The platform also facilitates file sharing and collaboration, allowing you to easily share files and folders with others, even if they don't have a pCloud account. Another compelling feature is pCloud's lifetime subscription option. While most cloud storage providers offer monthly or annual subscriptions, pCloud allows you to pay a one-time fee for lifetime access to your chosen storage plan. This can be a significant advantage in the long run, potentially saving you money compared to recurring subscription costs. Beyond the standard features, pCloud offers additional functionalities like pCloud Crypto, their enhanced security folder, and pCloud Transfer, a service for sending large files easily. They even offer pCloud Drive, which creates a virtual drive on your computer, seamlessly integrating your cloud storage into your file system. Overall, pCloud presents itself as a comprehensive cloud storage solution with a strong focus on security, flexibility, and affordability. Their lifetime subscription plans are particularly attractive for those looking for a long-term solution. Be sure to visit their website at pCloud.com to explore their offerings in more detail and determine if pCloud is the right cloud storage solution for you. And as always, stay tuned to Rome Tech for more tech reviews and insights.